joining me today, back on the 3 Series. Got a little problem with it on the boot. Came down and boffed the wife on the head because one of the gas struts has split. Oh, now this one here, I'll show you close up of that. At the minute, it's just got not enough life to hold it up. So first thing we're going to have to do, just get the old broom under there and just prop it up. Something like that. Now then, I've been on Amazon, and in the box we have, these are cheapest chips off Amazon, absolutely wonderful. A couple of new gas struts, so we're going to stick those on. Come and have a look at this. You can see there how it's corroded through, split, and all the oils come out. Oil and gas, not looking so good. The other side isn't as bad. It's starting to go. It's just going a little bit there. Now these are really easy to change. It's a nice little job. We've just got a couple of clips top and bottom. Pop those off and we'll have that out. Let's get a little screwdriver. This is the new one, and you can see on the back of that, look, it's got these little clips, and you put your screwdriver in and just pop that up. So we'll do that with this old one here. Just pop the screwdriver in there, and then we'll just lift that out, twist it, and away it comes. That's one of them. You can see how soft this one is. Look, it's gone. Nothing there at all. And then we do the same with the bottom one. Just get a screwdriver in the back of that. Twist that, have that out of the way. And that one comes off as well. Just got a little bit of LM2 grease there. Give that a quick wipe round. That one's got some oil on it, so it's not too bad. I'll just get a tiny bit of grease and just pop it on the end of the nipple there. Now these are going in with the large bit to the bottom, and now to put these in, we're not going to have to release the clips. We just literally put it on and pull it, and it drops in. How easy is that? And then the top one is pretty much the same but in reverse. I'll have to just push this up a bit like that, and then just push it on. That is it. How easy is that? No strutting. We'll just move that over to the other side. We probably won't need it, but just save it come down on my head. We'll do the same thing with this one. Pop that clip out of there. Pull that off. Just another little dab of grease on both of those. Bottom one in. Same thing, to push that up, get it lined up, and then pop it on. Now then, will it hold the weight of the boot? That's the big question. Ooh, that's quite stiff. Yeah, it's not bad, not bad. Job's a good one. So we're nice. Yeah, that's got it. That hasn't it? Perfect. Now these are the old ones. They've actually got some markings on them. They say E91HK. That's the old one, look at that. Absolutely blasted. She lives to fight another day, bless the old girl. If that's been of use to you, then yeah, just drop me a little thumbs up, drop me some comments. I'll put links for those gas struts in the description below, so check that out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Take care.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.